Hi, it's an absolutely gorgeous day here in York, North Yorkshire today, which sadly means that the people that like to ride their bikes naked throughout the city of York will no doubt be planning their next naked protest. I have asked York Council to put up a petition and they have declined my request, stating that the council does not have a role in relation to protests. And the petition has been fully considered by the monitoring officer, who is called Bryn Roberts, and he has rejected it on the basis that the council has no legal basis to prevent the naked bike ride from taking place. The petition has now been closed and we are unable to respond to any further correspondence on the matter. Okay, so North Yorkshire Council have put up the following petition. We, the undersigned, petition the Council to work with all relevant partner organisations to consider and balance the rights of the public not to experience distress when naked protests are organised in North Yorkshire. For approximately 20 years, the York Naked Bike Ride protest has taken place annually in areas of public spaces, set to be held again later this year. This protest largely consists of naked men, often wearing face coverings to hide their identity, cycling past children's playgrounds and places of worship. This behaviour raises serious questions about the protesters' intent to cause alarm or distress. It is now understood that it is a grave mistake to treat flashing as low level or something funny. It's time we lose the flashing narrative and recognise indecent exposure for the potentially very serious crime that it is, not least because of the risk for it to escalate into horrific brutality as it did with cousins and with many other sex offenders. And that's a quote from the Angelini inquiry. In recent years, naked protests have also reported increased hostility and violent assaults. Enough is enough. In order to avoid similar problems in the future with naked protests organised in North Yorkshire, the authorities must be seen to work together, act on behalf of the wider public to restore public order and common sense. Thank you. So if you live or work in the area of North Yorkshire Council, please consider supporting this ePetition and spread it far and wide. The link is at edemocracy.northyorks.gov.uk. And if we can send a strong message to the authorities that we're not putting up with this any longer and they'll have to do something about it. Thank you very much for your support.